Creating a good explainer video usually sounds simple until you try to do it. First there's the idea, then the script, then the storyboard, the visuals, the voiceover, the music, the captions, the thumbnail, the description, the tags, and the upload checklist. For a creator, educator, or marketer, that can easily become days of work spread across expensive tools and too many open tabs. This is where Manus changes the workflow. Think of Manus less like a single editing tool and more like an AI agent that can coordinate the production desk. You give it a detailed text prompt, and it can turn that brief into a complete animated video package. Script, scenes, voice direction, visual assets, captions, metadata, and final delivery files. The creator still makes the judgment calls, but the production machine starts moving immediately. The quality of the result begins with the quality of the prompt. A weak prompt says, "Make me a video about AI." A useful prompt defines the audience, the purpose, the tone, the length, the chapter structure, the visual style, the ending line, and the deliverables. In other words, the prompt is not a sentence, it is a creative brief. The clearer the brief, the more professional the output can become. Once the prompt is clear, Manus can break the job into the pieces a real production team would need. It can outline the episode, write the narration, plan chapters, define the storyboard, shape the thumbnail direction, and prepare upload metadata before the final video is assembled. This matters because professional videos are not only animation, they are structure, they are pacing, they are packaging, they are decisions made in the right order. For an animated explainer, Manus can generate the working materials that usually slow a creator down. Cinematic scene images, a consistent visual direction, a voiceover track, background music, chapter timestamps, captions, and a final edited video. It can also keep those files organized so the project does not become a folder full of mystery exports. The point is not to skip craft. The point is to make craft easier to repeat. A finished YouTube video is not finished when the render is done. It still needs a title people understand, a description that explains the promise, tags, hashtags, chapters, a pinned comment, a thumbnail brief, and an upload checklist. Manus can prepare that metadata document as part of the same workflow, so the video is not just created, it is ready to publish, test, and improve. In a traditional workflow, every handoff costs time. The script moves to the designer, the design moves to the editor waits for voice, the upload waits for metadata. With Manus, one structured prompt can become a coordinated production package. If your channel style is already defined, a special episode can move from prompt to package to YouTube, upload in under 30 minutes of active creator time, with the final review still in your hands. That opens the door for many kinds of creators. A faceless YouTube channel can publish calm educational explainers. A teacher can turn lessons into visual chapters. A marketer can explain a product without hiring a full studio for every campaign. A course builder can create modules that feel consistent from week to week. The common thread is not automation for its own sake. It is a repeatable system for explaining ideas clearly. Mind Machine Atlas is the proof of the workflow. The channel's episodes are built around clear scripts, poetic chapter titles, cinematic atlas visuals, voiceover, music, captions, and upload metadata. Those pieces do not appear by accident. They come from a prompt that defines the job and an agent that carries the project across writing, design, audio, editing, and packaging. The result is not perfect because it is automated. It works because the process is structured, so the real lesson is not that every video should be rushed. The lesson is that a strong prompt can replace hours of scattered setup. Start with the audience, Define the promise, specify the tone, ask for chapters, visuals, narration, captions, thumbnail direction, and metadata. Then, review the output like a producer, not a passenger. One prompt, 10 minutes. A video your audience will actually watch. That is what Manus makes possible.